Where are we at?
Riverwalk. We're in the Riverwalk.
San Antonio. Big old cedars here. These are crazy. Waiting on Dad before we pick a place to eat. But we're here at Mexico City, which is funny. Street tacos. He went rock climbing. We were waiting for him to get back. Now we're feeding him. San Antonio. Look at that.
Looking at the next Dallas Cowboys win, but I'm pretty sure she's gonna have to keep looking for that one.
For whom the city and river are named. Gift of Portugal.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
It's a cool tree.
It's gonna be ground into flour to make flatbread.
Ah,
Cool.
that's amazing. Oh, split. That is a really amazing tree. Checking out one of the missions here. Found this awesome mesquite tree. This one is the San Jose mission. There's 5 missions here altogether. Our campground's literally less than a mile from this, down that road there. Oh, wow, this is amazing. It's like their missions were like forts. No, it was reconstructed, but the reconstruction was about 100 years ago. Like, it is original in the sense that this is how it was, but it did have to be reconstructed. But yeah, even the restoration is 100 years old.
So I wanted to do a quick little tour of the facilities up here. They've got like pretty nice setup here. They've got like a yoga room, they've got a workout room, they've got a game room. It's nice to be able to come in here. There's the yoga room. They've got mats and blocks and all sorts of stuff. Workout room. And game room. And look what I found in the game room. Two gamers. Are you getting your butt kicked by your little sister?
Yes.
Finally. Oh, snap. So yeah, we got foosball, we got shuffleboard, full ping pong table, pool table, like a nice little movie room set up. You can watch TV with friends. Looks like they play poker over here. They've got a puzzle table set up. Both of those cupboards are full of puzzles. They got computers here you can use if you need to, and they have a full library, which is pretty awesome. So, yeah, probably one of the nicest like RV parks we've been to so far on this journey. Wouldn't you guys say? This is the nicest RV park we've been to so far?
For sure.
For sure. So much more fun than the rest. And everybody here is super nice and very chill, and yeah.
We stayed in San Antonio for about 2 weeks while we were getting the transmission on our truck fixed. We had a lot of fun exploring all the cool places and enjoying a lot of good food while we were there. The city can be a little overwhelming, but we still had a good time. On to the next stop.